a very low budget, very low budget, and you are interested to relocate to Austria, this video is meant for you. Are you in the group called Other Key Workers? This video is meant for you. You're going to be paid 3,000 plus with 2 years residence permit. I came across this opportunity and I was super excited because I have had so many of you asking me, okay, please, what is the cheapest means to come to Austria with me and my family? And this video is perfect for you. If you're interested, stick through to the end. I'm going to show you step by step on how you can achieve this dream. So stay tuned. So I'll be starting from the first step. What is the type of visa that will be given to you? The type of visa that will be given to you is called red card. This card is valid for 2 years, that is 24 months. After that, then you can be able to renew it again. And this means you can work full-time, your spouse can work full-time. It enables you to work unlimited. You can work as more as you can. That is the type of card that will be given to you. So we move to the second step. How can you be eligible to apply for this visa? How can you be eligible to meet all the requirements that will be needed? So stick through as I will mention it to you step by step. Still on the requirements. So you have to meet only 55 points. Only 55 points. Very easy to meet. Just pay attention. This 55 points is just from work experience, certificates, language skills, and age. Very easy. Just pay attention. Yes. And the next one is for you to find a job in this area you are looking at. Guys, it is very easy. This is areas that are open. Austrian employers are looking for people to apply in this position. So it is very easy if you fall into this category for you to get a job. And if you get this job, your employer, that is your proposed employer, is supposed to pay you 3,030 euro gross per month. 3,030 euro gross per month. That is the second requirement. If you have met it, then you are good to go. So stick through as I continue to explain it step by step. Before I proceed, I want to enlighten you on who are the other key workers. These are medical professionals like nurses, doctors, lab scientists. These are engineers, different types of engineers. These are teachers. These are roofers. These are technicians. These are carpenters. These are business people, accountants, and many more. Just take your time and Google who is other key workers and you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so like I said, let's move forward. So listen, let me explain to you how you can be able to make this point. If you are a medical doctor and you have a university degree to prove that, and you worked as a medical doctor for over 2 years, you've scored 30 points. Let me give you another example. If you're a carpenter, you went through a vocational school and you have a certificate to prove that, and you have worked as a carpenter for over 2 years, you've made this 30 points. I'll give you another example. I am a QS. I have worked like over 2 years as a QS. I have made this 30 points. So that is that. Then if you have been opportune to work in any Austria industry here, then with experience, you have another 20 points. But if you have not done that, don't worry, you've already have like 30%, which I have explained before. So that is that. Then the next one is language skill. Language skill. Stick through and listen so that you understand the process and apply it. German language skill for R1 is called 5 points. That is, when you have a certificate to prove that you've passed it, it's called 5 points. German language skill for Art 5 is called 10 points. German language skill for B1 you score 15 points. That is for German language skill. Then if you have like English language skill for A2, you score 5 points. English language skill for B1, you score 10 points. That is that. Then you have like French language skill. If you have a certificate to prove that, you score 5 points. Spanish, you score 5 points. Bosnia, Croatia, Serbian language, if you have it, you score another 5 points. That is it for language skill. If you have any certificate in this category that I have mentioned, or even more, gather it because there are more points for you. That is that. Then we move to the age. So stick true to listen carefully while you understand it. If you are under the age of 30, you score 15 points. Then if you are under the age of 40, you score 10 points. Then another point, if English is predominantly language in your company, you score 5 points. Another bonus for people who are professional coaches and sport athletes, you score 20 points. That is that. When you must have add all those points, you see that you have superseded this 55 points. This is why I said that it is easy. Go back, sit and gather those documents. Sit back and write down your experiences and prepare your CV. Sit back and you hear the next step that I'll be mentioning. Is how you're going to apply for this process that I have been explaining all this while. Now, as you have met all this process that I have explained, then gather your documents. Gather your contracts from your proposed employer. Gather your proof of qualification and your personal identification. When you must have gathered it, then you file your application at the Austria consulate at your hometown where you are residing, or your proposed employer would file it for you. I don't know whether you get it. As you must have gathered all these documents that I mentioned, that is your contracts to prove that you've gotten this job, your proof of qualification and your personal identification, then you apply it, you use it to apply for this visa, that is this red, white, red card, at the country of your residence, at the Austria consulate, where you're presently residing, or that your proposed employer will file the application for you. As you must have done this, then your application will be sent to IMS. They call it RMS. Okay? This is Public Employment Service. If this application is sent to them, then they will approve it and you will receive your red, white, red card. Can you see that? I told you that it's easy. It's simple. As long as you have all these requirements that I mentioned. And it will not cost you anything more than what people are charging you guys, ripping you guys off from agents. This is just follow this step that I've mentioned. Then the next one is I will tell you how much you're going to pay them at the Austrian embassy. As at the time I'm making this video, this is what is at their website, but I will encourage you to also add something in case if there is something addition anywhere, but this is at their website and I will be mentioning it now. That is the next step that I'll be mentioning. Okay, so the application process, the courses, application fee is 120 euro, granting fee is 20 euro, personalization cost is 20 euro. If you add all these things, it's 160 euro. You put it in your pocket. This is what is at their website, and that is why I am telling you this. If you add it, you take it with all the fees that is involved in maybe the Austria embassy going to check this or that at your hometown or that. But this is what is at their website. Okay? When you must have paid this, then you're already planning to relocate, You are now planning your things, how you can move to your new place, new country, start a new journey in Austria. That is that. And that is the whole process. In my next video, I'll be talking about all the documents you need. If you're interested, let me know in the comment section, and many more. If you do this, you're already on your way to Austria. If you add it and check what they are charging you from the agent, you know you cannot compare both. This is very easy to meet, and I wish you guys all the best. If you have any question regards to this video, let me know in the comment section below. Drop it down and I will answer it. And I wish you guys all the best on your journey if you're planning to relocate to Austria. Please do not forget to subscribe. That is what is making me to dress every morning to come here to talk to you guys, to make videos. And share this video with all the people you think that might need it. People that are in a low budget, very low budget. Share them with friends and families. And do not forget to thumbs up this video. The more you thumbs it up, the more YouTube will know that you guys like it, and they will share it with other people. Follow me on my Instagram at Style Oge. Your girl is there. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching, and bye.